Okay, Matt? Matthew or Serge, are you ready for your demise? Hey, whoa. Not yet.
I said ready.
You ready?
Where's he running to?
We're going to give you about a 5-second delay.
Then we're gonna chase you.
Are we really chasing him? No. No, we're not. You're just going to stand right here and see.
As soon as he starts running, I'm fucking gonna shoot him.
Give him a 3-second delay then. Starting in 5 seconds, give him a 3-second delay. Ready? 3-second delay in 3, 2, 1. 3-second delay. 1,000. 2, 1,000. What? Okay.
We're waiting.
3, 2, 1, go! Doc, you can hide! I'm out.
Not done my hopper yet.
I'm out. I'm still good. You done?
You done?
Why are we shooting him? What's in our right mind to do this to him? Okay.